everyone, Richard Carlton. Welcome to the awesome day of FileMaker training. I am super caffeinated. So today is a good day for you folks to ask open-ended questions. In the event that your questions get AI-ish, I'm gonna lean on Margaret to help me with that. If it's super crazy, we'll shelve it for later. If you got server questions, we have the super amazing Jacob Taylor who's here to backstop my my server questions and answers. However, as a 35-year developer, I know most of the important questions and answers. If I get nervous, that'll be Jacob's cool. If he asks me a question, I start going like this. Oh, like Rodney Dangerfield, I can get no respect, start sweating. That's Jacob's clue to jump in and to help save the conversation. So, but he is here. We have some canned questions already that came up on the internet recently for people who had problems in FileMaker. Today's a little bit kind of a Jeopardy flavor of stuff, so I'm going to move myself over here. Here are the topics for today. Unclean shutdown, okay? And these are all inspired by the questions that have come to us. So then we have some schema questions. We got monkey spread and Claris or Claris. So these are all the topics that we have for today. What are we doing? Script help, export record as Excel, current record. How do I restore previous? Okay, so this is under Papa. This is the section on Papa Cap. So was there one after this or? Yeah, here's the problem. When I use export records, blah, 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 and I do a bunch of, and I come back, my found set's been whacked. So we talk about this in our mechanical thought process for scripting, right? And this person hasn't been through my training, but that's fine. So if you have a found set in FileMaker, okay, let's just, I need a database with a little couple records in it. Let me go to, let me see, let me go to, I don't want to go to Big Valley. Let's go to 2 and I'll open up my Kronos database here. So where I keep all the aviation stuff that we do. I should have a password on it. I have 1,127 records, okay? So say you have a process and you're doing a bunch of stuff and you look for, I don't know, Blackhawk. Let's just do that, okay? 2 records. Then you want to do some other stuff. Well, I'm going to do a find for UH1, okay? Something happens and you change your found set. Now I want to go back to the previous found set. There's no unwind time backwards in time feature for FileMaker Pro that takes you back to a sort state found set or something like that that previously exists. Well, that sucks because you haven't been in my training. So the way you solve the problem is if you have a found set, okay, if I say black, I'll just put black on, there's some more, there we go, 7 records. And you're going to do something in FileMaker that's going to monkey with the found set or something else, and you want to preserve this in your script, or if you're telling a user to manually do this, it's the same process. You're going to tell them to create a new window. That creates a duplicate window with a duplicate found set. They're totally independent. Then you're going to come over here on the new one, or one of them, and you're going to say, do this other stuff, and do this stuff, and then do this other stuff, and type this in, and do this and this, and print this, and do this, and create. When you're done, I want to restore the previous found set. Close the window. Go back to the previous window, and then you've preserved everything over here. Does that make sense? That's how you do it. So you create a new window, which duplicates everything forward. You monkey with it, then you eject it into space. You blow it out the airlock because you're done with it. You come back to it's like when you save forward progress in a game, right? So you save forward progress.
Yes.
This allows you to go back to where you saved your forward progress by popping a window. So that's how you do that. Amazing. It's so amazing.
It's the most amazing. We're going to wrap up the stream, everybody. We hope you've had a good one. Q&As are fun.
All right,
Thank
everyone.
you, everybody. Bye.
Bye.